So a couple of months ago, my mom actually got me a couple of cat trees to celebrate having Bud for a year and bringing a bunch of the hood cats inside. And I've been so busy I haven't had a chance to build them. So today, my buddy Sterling TrapKing Davis is going to help me and Booty build a couple of cat trees, and we're going to race and see who builds it the fastest. So, on your mark, get set, build!
Look at that, who needs that direction?
You'll never guess how long it takes these two stoners to build a cat tree.
Clearly, I think I got the easier one.
You want some Stub Secret Stash? Meow 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 meow. Cat.